Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Final Cut Pro for color curves and scopes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by launching Final Cut Pro on your Mac. Open the project you want to work on. If you haven't already imported your footage, do so by navigating to the Import Media option. Select your clips and drag them to the timeline for editing. Next, click on the clip you want to adjust in the timeline. Go to the Effects panel located in the right sidebar. Search for Color Curves in the Effects panel. Drag the Color Curves effect onto your selected clip. Now, with the clip still highlighted, navigate to the Inspector panel. In the Inspector, you'll see the Color Curves section. This section contains a graph with an adjustable line representing brightness and color. To adjust brightness, click and drag the line vertically. To influence color balance, drag the curve horizontally. You can adjust specific color channels by choosing between red, green, and blue curves. Consider adjusting the shadows, midtones, and highlights for more precise control. Next, let's set up scopes for better color evaluation. Go to the window menu at the top of the screen. Select Show in Workspace and then click on Scopes. This will open the Scopes window. You may see different types of scopes, such as histogram, RGB parade, and vector scope. Choose the type of scope that best suits your needs for this project. Position the scopes window where it's easily viewable while you work. As you adjust your color curves, watch the scopes to ensure proper exposure and color balance. Use the scopes to make informed decisions about your adjustments. Experiment with the curves until you achieve your desired look. Once satisfied, play back your clip to ensure it meets your expectations. Repeat these steps for any other clips that need color correction. When finished, you can export your project through the File menu. Select Share and choose your preferred export settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.